Well, Jim and I have been working the last day and a half. Well, we worked about a day all total, I guess. About a half a day yesterday and about a half a day today. And we took what you would normally have as a tool that I wasn't using that much, but I want to use more. And we made it into a multi-purpose tool. And what we did, we took a box blade and put a skid steer plate on the back of it. And here's the end result. And we like it pretty good. Now the good thing about it is we can still hook it up with the tractor, or we can hook it up with the skid steer. And I can double utilize my box blade this way. And we got a little bit of video and we're showing what we did. What do you think about it, Jimmy?
I think we did good. You tried it out, works. That's all that matters.
That's right.
It didn't break off. I guess the weld's holding.
We welded the crap out of it. We welded not the prettiest welds in the world. We're not gonna win any awards for welds, but we burn it in strong. That's the thing about it. We took the old Buzz box that I've got and stick welded it in, and that to me makes a little bit better weld anyway. Stronger weld than our wire welder. So we took it, good thick plate on both pieces, and as you see, we've got it hooked up to the skid steer right now, and if I want to, I can drop it. Then I got a small tractor. I got like a 35 horsepower tractor that I can hook to it if I just want to use it as a normal box blade. Plus, I have a 3-point hitch for my skid steer, and I can use it that way too. But the purpose of doing it this way, I don't have to always hook from the front and with a skid steer drag backwards. This way I'm actually pushing, and it works out pretty good. But that's sort of the way we've done it, and I like it pretty good.